You want to know how I can afford a Porsche like this? It's all thanks to knowledge. Now, I'm not talking about any knowledge. I'm talking about traffic knowledge. Because with traffic knowledge, it can make you rich. You can make as much damn money as you want if you acquire traffic knowledge. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips. These 3 tips will help you understand traffic and master the art of traffic so that you can make as much money as you want and build however many businesses you want. So tip number 1, one size doesn't fit all. When it comes to advertising, a lot of people believe that when they found an ad that is working on Facebook, it will work exactly the same on Google, Gmail, Instagram, Snapchat. But in all honesty, that is false. If you want to become a media buyer, if you want to leverage traffic to make you money, you need to understand that every single platform is different. Every single platform has its own purpose. Every single platform has a different buying behavior. So you need to understand that every single traffic source is different and tailor your message to each traffic source. Tip number 2, purpose. You need to understand that when you are advertising, these advertising network has a purpose. Facebook is a platform for people to share, comment, and like what is happening at a current event. Google, for example, people go to Google because they are looking for a solution to a problem or they wanted to buy something. And because each of these platforms has a different purpose, you need to craft a very different message, not just message, but a different marketing strategy behind each of these so that you can get in front of these people and actually trigger their emotional buying behavior so that you can actually bank in the money that you need to make. Next thing is psychology. When it comes to ads, you need to understand the psychology of an ad. People never heard of your brand. People never knew about you. People don't know what you have to offer. The first thing that you want to do, regardless of which advertising platform you're using, you need to grab their attention. This is the first thing that you want to do. In a pool of the millions of people, regardless of what targeting you're going after, regardless of what message you have, you need to grab their attention first. So once you grab their attention, you need to actually pique their interest on what you have to sell, what you have to offer, and what services you have. Then you got to get their desire, making them want your service, want your product. Then last but not least, A, which is taking action. So when you're crafting your message as a media buyer, you got to follow the AIDA method. And with that, you can actually become the best copywriter when it comes to writing ads, and you will have the ability to drive as much damn traffic as you want and make as much money as you want. We all know knowledge is power, but I have to tell you, knowledge is great, but traffic knowledge is the best because you have the ability to control. You have the ability to drive customers. You have the ability to actually make as much money as you want because you now understand that traffic is the key. And traffic can literally explode a business and make that business really successful. So again, you can have the best product, you can have the best service, you can have the best whatever you're selling. But if you do not have the traffic knowledge that you need, you will not succeed. So rewatch this video. There's 3 tips that I share with you on how you can simply gain the traffic knowledge that you need and make as much damn money as you want.